Okay, everybody, today we're going to go over how to use the book website. We have a Prentice Hall book. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to www.phschool.com. Okay, you're going to come up to this screen. The codes in the books get entered here, but we'll go over that later, how to use those. But for what we want to do right now, I want you to go to the button that says click here. Okay, you're going to come up to this site right here, and we want to go to companion websites. And since we are a Spanish class, we are going to go to world languages. And right here you see a form of our book. There's a couple different versions, but we do have the Realidades book. And you are currently level 1. Okay, so then you come to this screen. This is where all of the supplemental activities for the book are kept. So for the first chapter, that Primer Paso that we use at the very beginning of the year, right here, Para empezar are all the activities for that. So you can go through and you can click Practice Activities. Here's your list of Spanish names, and these are practice activities. So look at Los Números. If you click on that, it'll pull up the practice activity just like we do in class, and you can hit continue. And there is your practice activity that you can go through and then test yourself. So we're going to close out of that, and we'll go back so I can show you the rest of these. Okay, canciones de hip hop are songs that go along with the chapter. They're usually grammar songs. So this is the body and the weather song. So you can play both of those with or without lyrics. And then you can just play around with those. They're usually kind of fun. Audio files are usually vocabulary practice. See, they go through all the vocabulary that's in the chapter, the beginning of each section. They go through and tell you how to pronounce all the words. Go back. Go back. Okay. Repaso del capítulo is the end of the chapter vocabulary list. It's exactly what you see in the book. I'm sure you're familiar with it. Integrated performance assessment. Don't worry about that. I'll go ahead and worry about that for you. So you don't need to worry about that. Puzzles are crossword, jumbles, word search, words with clues that you can do online just for fun. And test preparation is again one of these activities, but it goes over everything in the chapter that you want to cover for the test. So if you want to study beforehand, this is a great way to do it. It goes through everything. Okay, that was just the beginning chapter, but if you look, it's the same for the rest of these. The only thing that's really different would be the reading skills worksheet, which you don't need to worry about. And when you go into practice activities, not there. I guess that's when you get later. But they'll have animated verbs right here. See this animated verbs? It'll pull this up. You pick your chapter. Let's just say 2A. And it goes through the grammar lesson we do in class. So if you really need to review, this would be a great way to do it. They give you all kinds of information on the grammar we cover in each chapter. So once we get to 2A, this is going to be a very helpful resource. Okay, we're going to close that, and that is about everything on this website. So if you want to get on here and play around, I more than recommend it. So I hope you guys got some help out of that, and I hope to see you on the website soon.